Damn.
Yeah, I just said that. Quote unquote fat bitch, quote unquote lives in England.
I don't care what you say. All it says is that you're jealous and all you are is mad.
What the fuck do I gotta be jealous about a fucked up teeth bitch?
Damn. Actually, she lives in Scotland, so get on.
That means she fucks sheep.
She's not even in America.
She can be related to
like 4 years ago. Yeah, I remember
stuff all you want.
It's not gonna do anything.
Your curly hair just got totally worse.
I just got a little bit of hair on my balls.
Sure it is. Hey, it's radio. It's like NASCAR or figure skating.
Good luck, because now I'm not watching that.
World star.
Ask me back when dinner time.
You have to give the audience.
He's like, yo, no, I'm not fucking coming back.
We're not here to talk
Hang on. Where's he at?
Can I call Dr. Phil? Let me see that. Let me see that. That's what happens when you turn off a Wi-Fi off of somebody.
He turned off the Wi-Fi, yo.
He is still mad walking up the street. Hold on. Here's your wire. There's your wire. And there's the fat guy walking up the street. Over some
With no shoes on.
Your feet are going to be bleeding by the time you hit the end of this. I'll see you around dinner time, fat ass.